Have you ever felt like someone suddenly changed? They used to text you, talk to you, care about you. And then they just lost interest. No explanation. No clear reason. Just distance. If this has ever happened to you, you're not alone. And more importantly, there is always a reason behind it. Let's understand the psychology. One of the biggest reasons people lose interest is comfort. At the beginning, everything feels new. Exciting. They try harder. They give more attention. But once they feel secure, that effort slowly fades. Not because you did something wrong, but because the challenge is gone. Another reason. You became too available. When you are always there, always replying instantly, always saying yes, you lose a sense of value. People don't appreciate what feels easy to get. It's human nature. Next, emotional disconnection. Sometimes, the bond starts to weaken. Conversations become dry. Energy changes. And slowly, they stop feeling the same connection. This doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly. Another hidden reason. They found something new. It could be a new person, a new interest, or just a new phase in life. And their attention shifts. Not always because you weren't enough, but because their focus changed. Over time, people also start seeing things differently. The same qualities they once liked might not feel the same anymore. Attraction can change. Feelings can fade. And sometimes, people don't even realize it themselves. But here's the most important part. When someone loses interest, it's easy to blame yourself. To overthink everything. To wonder, what did I do wrong? But the truth is, not everything is in your control. You can't control how someone feels. You can't force someone to stay interested. And you shouldn't have to. Real connection doesn't fade easily. And the right person won't make you question your worth.